Dav here from Smiths in Swansea. Welcome to our detached property in Mumbles. We're on Castle Road today. This 4-bedroom detached property has got lovely ground floor space. It goes up to double bedrooms, plenty of space upstairs as well. Tiered garden to the rear, as well as this lovely entrance with our driveway. If you're interested, just follow me inside. So that was a sneak peek to our detached property on Castle Road. I'd be delighted to bring you here. You must see this property inside for yourselves. Behind me, of course, you've got this absolutely stunning view from the tiered garden. The woodland behind yourselves stretches all the way back to the cemetery. There's plenty of land here. You have to see it. I'd be delighted to show you. Contact me directly. My number's on the screen. Phone our office. Get in touch when you can. I'll be delighted to see you.